Hello everyone. In this tutorial I'll be showing you how to connect a PlayStation 3 controller to a PC running Windows 11. Just remember that this is for wired connections, although Bluetooth may work depending on your device. So, the first thing you want to do is connect your controller to your PC through the USB port, and then go to Control Panel just to confirm that that connection is successful. Once we're in Control Panel, go to View Devices and Printers, and you should see your PlayStation 3 controller. The properties that I have should be the same as yours, and if those are correct, we can go out of this for now. Next you want to go to this download page. I leave a link to this download page in the description below. These are just the drivers. So go ahead and download those. And once that's ready to go, just extract the files. Once the files are extracted, you'll see this SCP server folder. Go into that, and then go to bin, and then you should see SCP driver. We need to run this executable. Once it's running, check force install, untick Bluetooth and then hit install. Once the install is done, it should say install succeeded, and below that it should show an install summary. Your guy's summary might be a bit different from mine because I've installed this before. So, there will be two more things on your end, but if it says install succeeded, it should be good to go. And then the last thing you want to do is go back to this folder and go run the SCP server executable. For some people it might work without this application, but for a lot of you it won't work unless you're running this, so make sure whenever you're trying to do this, you have the server running in the background. Now that the drivers have been installed and the server is running, what we have done is basically tricked Windows 11 into thinking that we have an Xbox controller instead of a PlayStation 3 controller installed. By this point everything should be working functionally and everything should be good, but just to double check, we want to go to the game controller settings, and then go to properties, and if you go to your physical controller and you press the buttons and move the joysticks, you should notice the responses on the application on the screen. So now that that's done, everything should be working like I said. If it doesn't work for any reason, just go ahead and leave a comment down below explaining your issue, and I'll try to help you out. But if it does work, thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.